Welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to start with continuous beam. A continuous beam is a beam which is supported on more than two support. Okay, the beam which rests on more than two support is called as a continuous beam. There will be a hugging bending moment at this intermediate support due to this continuity, and this continuous beam is solved by the Clapeyron's theorem. Let's start with one numerical problem. This is a beam A, B, C, D, okay, which is supported on four support, which is simply supported. AB is subjected to center point load, BC is subjected to eccentric point load, and CD is subjected to UDL. Okay, let's start. Our first step is calculation of bending moment. Okay, maximum bending moment for AB span. AB span is subjected to center point load, which is WL upon 4. W is 40 kilonewton, L is 6 meter divided by 4, which is 60 kilonewton meter. Okay, then moment about BC. BC is subjected to eccentric point load. Maximum bending moment for eccentric point load is WAB upon L. W is 50 kilonewton, A is 3 meter, B is 5 meter, and total span is 8. So maximum bending moment about BC is 93.75. By calculating, we get 93.75 kilonewton meter. Moment at point CD. CD is subjected to UDL. So maximum bending moment for UDL is WL square upon 8. W is 10. L span is 6 meter. This span is 6 meter. So 6 square divided by 8. By calculating this, we get answer 45 kilonewton meter. 45 kilonewton meter. Then second step is draw BMD, okay, which is also called as mu diagram. So AB 60 kilonewton per meter. This is 60 kilonewton meter. BC is 93.75. So this is eccentric angle 93.75 kilonewton meter, and CD is 45 kilonewton. So this is 45 kilonewton meter. This is our bending moment diagram, which is also called as mu diagram. Okay. Then next step is, third step is apply Clapeyron's theorem. Clapeyron's theorem. Okay. Or Clapeyron's theorem is also called as three moment theorem for AB and BC span. Okay. So you know the formula. Formula is MA into L1 plus 2MB L1 plus L2 plus MC L2 in bracket L2 equals to minus 6 A1 x1 divided by L1 minus 6 A2 x2 divided by L2. Okay. A is simply supported and this is a last support. So at A point moment is 0. Then this term will be 0. Okay. Then 2MB is equal to L1 plus L2, 6 plus 8. L1 plus L2, 6 plus 8 is 14, plus MC into L2 is 8, okay, is equal to minus 6. Area of this diagram is, this is a triangular shape, so 1 by 2, base is 6, height is 60, and center is 6 by 2, which is 3, divided by L1 is divided by x bar. X bar will be, you know that in eccentric triangle, okay, center point will be l plus a by 3 and from this side is l plus b by 3. So at this point we have to take center from this point, okay. So l plus b by 3, l will be 8, b will be 5, l will be 8, b will be 5 divided by 3. So it will be 13 by 3, okay. It will be 13 by 3 divided by L2 is 8. So by solving this we get 18 MB plus 8 MC is equal to minus 1758.75. This is our equation number 1. Okay. Next step is apply 3-moment theorem. 3-moment theorem is also called as Clapeyron's theorem. 3-moment theorem for BC and CD span. Okay. So BC MB into L2 plus 2MC into L2 plus L3 plus MD into L3 is equal to minus 6 A2 X2 bar divided by L2 minus 6 A3 X3 bar divided by L3. Okay, let's simplify this. But you know that D point is last support and which is simply supported. So MD will be 0. Okay. So MD L2 is 8 meter. Okay, 8 meter plus 2MC 8 plus 6 L3 is 6 plus MD will be 0 is equal to minus 6. A2 is 1 by 2, base is 8 meter and height is 93.75 and center will be L plus A by 3, which is L plus A by 3, L is 8 plus 3 is 11 by 3, okay. 11 by 3 divided by L2 is 8, again minus 6, A3, at this is a parabolic curve, so area will be 2 by 3, base is 6 and height will be 45 and center point is 6 by 2 which is 3 and divided by 6, okay. By solving this equation we get 8 MB plus 28 MC is equal to, if you solve this equation we get minus 1771.25. This is equation number 2. Okay. You can solve simultaneously equation by using analytical method or you can solve it on directly calculus. Go on more section, menu section. This is equation. Okay. This is our simular equation. Unknowns are 2. Okay. A. Our first equation is 18 MB. Our first equation is 28 MB. 28. B is 8 and C is minus 1758.75. Okay. So second equation is 8 MC is 28 and C will be minus 1571.25. Okay. So we get answer MB is minus 50.93 and MC is minus 41.56. Okay. MB is minus 50.93 kilonewton meter and MC is minus 41.58 kilonewton meter. Okay. So let's try net BMD. Okay. This is 60 kilonewton. This is 93.75 and this is 45. Okay. 60 kilonewton meter. This is 93.75 kilonewton meter and this is 45 kilonewton meter. Okay. MB is minus 50.93. Okay. And MC is minus 58. So this diagram will be like this. This is minus 50.93 kilonewton meter and this is 41.58 kilonewton meter. Okay, this is a Hawking bending moment, so it is negative and upper side is positive. Okay, and this diagram is also called as net BMD. Net BMD. Hope you understand the problem. In the problem or in various types of problem, there will be asked shear force diagram and bending moment diagram also. Hope you understand this video. If you have any doubt, please ask in comment section. Thank you.